In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove statuses from a Jira workflow. Whether you're streamlining your project management process or simply decluttering, knowing how to effectively manage and update your Jira workflow is an invaluable skill. It's a simple process that will make your project management more efficient, so let's dive right in and walk through each step clearly. First, we want to navigate to the project you're working with. This is important because workflows are specific to each project, and you need to ensure you're making changes in the right place. Once you have your project open, the next thing you need to do is open an issue within that project. Accessing an issue will give us a starting point to view the project's workflow. Once you have an issue open, your next move is to locate the status button. It's typically found on the top right of your screen. It's that button that indicates what stage your issue is currently in, which could be something like to do or in progress. Clicking on this button is our gateway to viewing and editing workflows. After you click the status button, a drop down appears, and from there you should select View Workflow. This option will take you to a visual representation of your current workflow, showing all the transitions and statuses that have been set up for the project. It might look a bit complex at first, but don't worry, we're only focusing on removing a status. In this workflow view, you'll see an option to edit workflow. Click on that to enter into the editing mode where you can make changes. Remember, changes to a workflow affect the entire project, so consider whether any changes might impact your team or existing issues. Now, with the workflow in edit mode, it's time to select the status you wish to delete. Simply click on the status node that you want to remove. When you click it, you'll notice it highlights, and additional options for that status will appear on the right panel. In this right panel, you will see a delete status option. Clicking this will delete the selected status from the workflow. It's as straightforward as that, but again, a word of caution. Make sure that you're not disrupting your team's process by deleting something integral. And there you have it. Those are the steps to remove a status from a Jira workflow. Whether it's for tidying up or adapting your process to new project requirements, this ability can keep your Jira environment clean and efficient. Thank you for joining me today. Feel free to like or subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you next time.